Hi, it's Mark from Lanoguard here. I'm here with Guy Wimpery from UK Schoolie Stays. Schoolie Stays, look him up. This is his American school bus that we treated in February, back end of February, and it's been out glamping in fields and all sorts in the countryside. It's going on top of the Beachy Head cliff tops in sunny Eastbourne. So you can rent a stay there, but more importantly, that's going to give it a bit of havoc with corrosion and salt and sea and air. So I'm here, guys brought it down to New Haven West Beach Promenade, which is a pretty cool place to be on a winter's summer day, sunny day. Guy, tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, the bus came from Florida originally, so 2001, but it's been its whole life in Florida and it's been pretty dry over there, not much rust or water to deal with. So wanted to make sure we kept it really good when it came over here. The coasting for February still looks good, but yes, as Mark says, it's going to be a lot of wind and a lot of salt where it's going to, so good to do it again.
Now we're going to go under the bus and have a look at it. So here we are under the Schoolie Stays bus, and you can see this, as I say, it's looking really good. Some of the things that we did when we did it last time were these nuts and bolts, which Guy was telling us was that is a seat rail. So all along, I think he said, Guy, yeah, 600 bolts, wasn't it? You had to cut out.
Yeah, that's right. About 600 bolts. We had to grind them all out. It took a couple of days of hard work. Yeah.
So that's what these holes are, and what we decided was how on earth were you going to protect them. So we just used, warmed up the motor grease and used that. It's very pleasing to see what a great result that is for it. Really simple, holds it really well. You can see the rest of the chassis is all looking good. As we say, this was from Florida, so it's such a good bus, because it's so dry there, and we're just going to prevent it from corroding away in front of our eyes. So yeah, we're going to get on with the job now, and we're going to use 2 litre pressure sprayer. Okay, so we're pretty much done there. I'm just finding some places that may or may not need a bit of the grease, which I've got here, as you can see. And there really isn't anywhere, but I think we might have missed a little bit when we did it before. So there's a couple of little crevices up here. Now I'm just going to put it on with my finger, and just, you see there's an edge here. Sometimes on these edges, like there, I don't know what happened there. We definitely missed it. So I'm just going to put that grease there, in case for some reason it was in need of it. So that's it really. I'm just going to go around with the grease, just checking any obvious parts. There isn't anything I can see, but I'm going to do it anyway. So right, we're all done. The Schoolie bus is all sorted out and protected for its Beachy Head adventures for the winter. Guy and Ruth, who own the bus, are you happy with that? Are we ready to go?
Yeah, we're really happy. That's great. We should be all ready for the cliffs at Beachy Head.